In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Canon PIXMA TS3700 series printer, and you can follow it for all the printers that comes in this series. First step is to take the printer out of the plastic packaging, and then we have to connect this printer with the power cable. Next step is to switch on the printer. We have to install the setup in cartridges. Go to the front chamber, press it down and open it. To load the setup in cartridges, take them out of the plastic packaging and remove the orange seal. Install black on the black side, and you will see there is a lock in the printer. For the ink cartridges, you have to press it down to unlock it, and then place the black on this side. Just place it here and slide it in, and then push the lock up. Same with the coloring cartridge. Take it out, remove this seal, place it here, and then push it up. Now close this ink chamber. So printer will activate the ink cartridges, and we will just load the paper. Now press OK. We have installed the paper, that is letter. So we have just done the initial setup. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. For the wireless setup, we are going to connect this printer with the home or office Wi-Fi network using your smartphone. First is to go to your smartphone. You can use an iPhone or Android phone. Download Canon Print App. It looks like this. In the app, we have to add the printer. For that, click on the add switch, that is here. Register printer. If printer cannot be found, it will ask you, is your printer is listed here? On the next screen, it will ask you if your printer is listed below. Click no. On the next screen, we get the option auto connection and select connection type. Select the first option, auto connection recommended. Does our printer has a button like this? Yes, we have. Next step is to go to your printer display panel. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds and then release it. This will enter your printer into the setup mode. The power light will flash. Also, 2 lines will start to flash here. So right now we can see the 1 line. Soon the second line will start to flash. Now go to your smartphone. Click this box, confirm that you have pressed the button for 3 seconds and click next. Press OK. So this process can take longer. It just depends upon the speed of the printer and the signal. It will display printer wants to join the network. Click join. On the next screen, it will display your Wi-Fi. So make sure your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Just double check your Wi-Fi network. If you see it, then click yes. If that's not the Wi-Fi, if you want to connect it with a different one, click no, and then you can select one from the list. Right now I'm just going to click yes. Printer setup is complete. We can see Canon TS3700 series, and we can see all the icons to use the printer for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to do a wireless printing, click on the print document. Click on the document. Select any document you want to print. For example, this. Click next. So if you want, you can just click on the change settings and then click on the print. Paper output tray is here. So it's going to print for first time, so it's going to take a longer time for that, so we just have to wait here. So let's check the print quality. So we can see this is the first page printed. Print quality is good, but still the black ink is not showing that much. For that we can improve the print quality later. Go to your app section. Printing is completed, press OK. Close this window. For scanning, we can open the lid. Place a page for the scanning. So it should be facing down like this. That's the arrow. Close it. Click on the scan icon. If you want to make any changes, you can do now and then click on the scan. Scan is transferred. If you want to add more scans, you can just scan more documents and then click on the scan every time. Once you are done, click on the exit button. On the next screen, click on the share button. Select the option if you want to use it as a JPEG or PDF. On the next screen, you get the option to save it. So click on the save to files. Give a name to your file and then click on the save icon. Close this window, and now we can start using our printer for wireless printing and scanning, and this way we can do the setup of the printer and start using it. Thanks for watching.